girl and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be doing another hair tutorial and I'm going to show you how I get my super big, super curly hair. So I love to wear my hair curly. I hardly ever wear it straight, and if you follow me on Instagram, you will see my hair curly like 97% of the time. And people ask me all the time, how do you do it? How do you curl your hair? What do you use? Blah, blah, blah. So today I'm going to show you how I curl my hair, the products I use, what curling irons I use, all that really good stuff. But I'm also going to show you a new product that I have been loving recently, and it's something I have incorporated into my hair routine that I think you're going to love. I have very thick, naturally wavy hair, so volume and curl is not an issue for me, but one thing that is an issue is volume at my roots. So I always feel like I have a ton of volume, ton of curl down here. It's very thick and heavy and voluminous. The top of my head is always like flat, and I just never have enough volume up here. I find myself teasing it, spraying it, dry shampooing it, texture spraying it, so many things, and I still can't get that lift in my roots that I would like. So one thing I found that really helps with that is this product right here. This is the Raise the Roots 2.0 Thickening Fiber Cream by TRUHAIR by Chelsea Scott. So they actually sent me this product along with two other products that we will be using throughout this video. And this video is sponsored by TRUHAIR, so thank you so much to TRUHAIR for partnering with me on this. And I am so excited for this video. So if you want to see how I curl my hair and how I get big, voluminous hair, then just keep on watching. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like just taking it out of the bun, and I just air dried it last night. So this is just my natural hair and its natural texture. And as you can see, I have a ton of volume throughout the ends. It's really thick and it looks fine, but the top is just completely like flat to my head. And I have this problem every single day. And it would be great if my hair was straight, it would be a different story, it would look fine. But with curls, I want that lift all throughout my hair and it not just being from here down. You know what I'm saying? So today we're going to use that product and put it up here in my roots so we can get more of a lift, and my hair will just look well-rounded and it'll just create a better finished product. So I'm just going to give you a little bit more information on this product before we start using it. This plumps your hair, it conditions and helps restore your damaged hair, enhances the shine. It is formulated for all hair types so everybody can use it. It shouldn't ever be sticky or tacky, and it melts right into your hair so you can't feel it. And it has like a silk spun technology, so it actually has fibers within the product that are going to like attach themselves to our hairs and create a fuller looking hair situation. So I'm so excited to show you guys how to use this today, and it is super simple. So you just take a small amount, like a dime size, put it in your towel dried hair, and then blow dry and style as normal. It's that easy. Make sure your hair is not dry and make sure it's not like soaking wet, so somewhere in between. And you can obviously apply a little more product if you have longer hair, if you have thicker hair. So I might need to use a tiny bit more. So I'm going to place the majority of it in my crown root bang situation because that's where I find I have the least amount of volume, but I'm also going to work it out into the rest of my hair just so we have a cohesive look. It comes in a little squeezy tube and you get 4 ounces. That's a ton of product. This will literally last you forever because you only need a dime size amount. So this is what it looks like in the packaging. I'm gonna go wet my hair and then we're gonna get started. Okay, so I just went and wet my hair. I actually washed it last night, so it's still clean. I just re-wet it this morning. So we're gonna take it out of the towel. So I'm just gonna brush through it really, really fast. Okay, now we're just gonna take a dime size amount and work it into our hair. And that's literally it. So now we're just going to blow dry our hair and style it as normal, and we will have so much volume, girl. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like straight after blow drying it, and I just use like a little brush like this. Like I don't round brush and do all those fancy things, but this is what it looks like. As you can see, we have some serious volume happening right now. And my roots are a lot more lifted than they were before we started. So now we're just gonna move on to curling it, and then once it's styled, I'm gonna add in the Volcanic Volume by TRUHAIR as well. And this is like a paste, and you can add it wet or dry, so I'm gonna use it dry and just add it for a little more lift in my roots. And this stuff smells like coconut, so you should probably get it. For these kinds of curls we'll be doing today, I'm going to be using a wand kind of curling iron. I like to curl my hair with a flat iron when I want more of a wave, but today we're going to go for more of a fuller curl, and so for that I'll be using this guy. Any wand will do, and this is about 1.5 inches, I believe. So I'm just going to curl my hair really fast. You can use a regular curling iron if you want to, but this is just what I prefer to use. So I'm not going to really go into depth about how to do this because by now you probably know how to curl with a wand. If you don't, you just hold the wand upside down like this, wrap the hair around it, count to 10 is all I do, and I keep the end out like this and just let it go, and that is it. So I'm just gonna do that throughout my head, and then when I'm finished I will pull all the curls apart and make them super duper messy. Can we just look at how shiny this looks? This looks so pretty. Those products really gave my hair some really nice shine. Almost done with my hair. I just have to finish this side, but as you can see I have so much volume happening right now. It's amazing, and my hair feels so soft. It feels so good. It does not feel like it has product in it whatsoever, and if anything it's softer than it was before I put the product in it, and it's got some really good shine, and the curls just look so good, and there's so much volume. I am loving this Raise the Roots product. Okay, so we are just finished up curling all the hair, so now I'm just gonna break all the curls up a little bit just to give them more of like a messy, lived-in kind of look, but still keep a lot of their shape. And as you can see, this stuff works, girlfriend, and my hair is huge, but I love it. Like if I could go back in time, I would have lived in the 80s just so I could experience their hair, because I have always loved everything about 80s big hair and 80s fashion and stuff. So this is giving me like 80s hair vibes, and I love it. So I don't think I want to curl my hair without using the Raise the Roots product by TRUHAIR, just because it just gives you so much body and it really like completes the hair look. And I don't know, I hate when you spend so much time curling your hair and then it just falls flat, and then you're like, girl, why did I spend so much time curling my hair, you know? So like, you need to try this if that's ever been an issue for you, because I run into that like throughout the day. My hair will just fall flat, but with this product my hair feels so thick and voluminous and just full of body, and the curls just look so much better, I feel like. So I really love this product, and my hair looks so shiny and healthy. I am obsessed. So just to add a little more lift to my roots, because like I said, I'm obsessed with big hair, I'm gonna use the Volcanic Volume by TRUHAIR by Chelsea Scott as well. And this is like a paste, so you really don't need a lot at all. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in between my fingers, and then you just rub this into your roots. And it smells so good. It smells like coconuts. So now your hair not only looks amazing, but now you smell amazing, girlfriend. And this Volcanic Volume product also kind of works like a dry shampoo and refreshes your hair. One, because it smells amazing, so now your head's gonna smell awesome, but it also has volcanic spring powder in it that can kind of absorb any oils that have, you know, found themselves chilling out on your head. So great product also. So to finish the entire look off, I'll be using the Extreme Volume Hairspray by TRUHAIR by Chelsea Scott. This is for all hair types. It's brushable, but it still holds, and that's what your girl needs. You don't want Crunch City, but you want a hairspray that's gonna hold and that's gonna last, and that's what this is. So I'm just gonna hold my hair up a little and spray this into the curls. And this is the completed look. This is how I achieve my big, voluminous, full body curls. And I really, really love how this looks. And I love these TRUHAIR by Chelsea Scott products. I am so excited they asked me to do this with them. I truly enjoy these products. And I do not think I will ever curl my hair and not use these products, because honestly, my hair curled has never looked this good. My hair looks super shiny, it looks super healthy, it's full of body, it has so much volume, and smells good. Literally, what more could you want? If you are in the market for something that will lift your roots, give you some volume, thicken your hair, give you some full body to your hair, and something that won't weigh your hair down, and something that will help your flat-headed girls out, then you should try the Raise the Roots 2.0 Thickening Fiber Cream by TRUHAIR by Chelsea Scott. Because girl, it looks so good. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new, and I hope you fall in love with these TRUHAIR by Chelsea Scott products as much as I have. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!